And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me this cocktail shaker set made of high quality stainless steel. You get 12 essential bar tools, so a 750 milliliter shaker, spoon, corkscrew, ice tongs, muddler, strainer, 4 liquor pours, and a 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce jigger. It also comes with a wooden bamboo stand. This side, just the item number and company information. Let's open it up and show you what we get here. The bamboo stand, where everything will fit neatly on here, and cocktail recipes. Sweet, that's awesome. Then, that's it for that box. Everything else is in here. We have our strainer, I believe. Nice stainless steel. Then there's our jigger, 1 ounce side, 1/2 ounce side. I'm guessing on where these go, by the way. Then the spoon for stirring. Wow, love the quality. Very nice. Then here's half of the shaker. Very nice. The muddler. Maybe actually this goes here. This I think goes here. That goes there. Yep. Then the ice tongs. The ice tongs. The other half of the mixer. And a few other things. So there's the other half of that. Goes on top. Shake it up. That's it for this box. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 liquor pours and the corkscrew to open up a bottle of wine. Dope. So that's everything that comes inside of this. And so there it is, everything put in its rightful place. This one goes here, and then this one's able to go on the side. But very, very nice. Would look great if you have a bar. Would look great behind the bar. And the stand holding everything is even better. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.